In this series, I showed you how to limit login attempts so bots are stopped right in their tracks. And that's important. However, today I want to show you how to change your login URL to stop most automated attempts before they even get started. Okay, so right now your WordPress login page is almost one of two things. So it's most likely your website.com/wp-login.php, or you can access it by going to your website.com/wp admin, right? Which is exactly what we have here. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly change this using the AIT security plugin. The first thing you want to do is to head over to aitsecurity.io. Go ahead and download and install the free AIT security plugin. Once you've done so, we'll head over to our dashboard. Just make sure you go ahead and install and activate the plugin. So we just need to navigate over to where it says security zones, and then we'll navigate over to login, and we'll navigate over to where it says hide login. And now we can create our new login URL. So we can say some app access. And in the event that someone goes to WP admin, then we can just redirect them over to, for example, our homepage. Let's hit save. Okay, and now let's go ahead and test this out. So this is our default WP login. So let's refresh this page and let's see what happens. And now we have a 404 page. So the page doesn't exist. So now let's go ahead and test out our new login page. Let's see if this works. So it's app access. Okay, and just like that, we've got our new WordPress login URL. Again, I'll leave a link to the plugin in the description below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.